Exploring Sedimentary Rocks by Bianca Jardim,
Julia Dulce,
Vinicius Silva,
and Daniela Gonzalez.
What are sedimentary rocks?
Sedimentary rocks are formed from pre-existing rocks or pieces of living organisms. They are formed from weathering and erosion. Sand, mud, and organic material that settle in layers, usually at the bottom of lakes or oceans, are all examples of sediments.
How do they differ?
Rocks differ in the way they form. Igneous rocks form when magma or lava cools and solidifies. Sedimentary rock form when sediment is compacted and cemented. Metamorphic rocks form when existing rocks are changed by pressure or solutions.
Formation process. Let's dive deeper into the world of rocks.
weathering, erosion, deposition, compaction, and cementation.
Weathering and erosion. When rocks break down into smaller pieces, it goes through a process called weathering. Those pieces move to new places by using natural agents such as water, wind, and ice. This process is called erosion. Together, these processes make canyons, valleys, beaches, sand dunes, and caves. What is deposition?
Deposition is the geological process where sediments, particles of sand, mud, and pebbles, or organic material accumulate in layers and harden into rock over time. Driven by the loss of energy in transporting agents like water and wind, it occurs in places like oceans, rivers, and deserts.
Compaction and cementation. Compaction happens when layers of sediment pile up over time. The weight of the layer on top presses down on the sediments underneath. Sedimentation happens after compaction. Sedimentation is when minerals dissolve in water, move through the sediments, and glue the particles together. Types of sedimentary rocks.
Plastic rocks are formed from the mechanical weathering and erosion from pre-existing rocks, which break down into fragments called clasts. Chemical rocks form when dissolved minerals in water crystallize out of solution. Organic rocks are composed of minerals produced by living organisms. They form from the accumulation and compaction of plant debris or fossil remains or marine organisms.
Real-world examples.
Sandstone is prominently featured in the American Southwest, such as Zion National Park, Utah. It is also used as the building material for the White House and U.S. Capitol. It is commonly used in the construction industry to make bricks, concrete, paving, etc. Limestone is usually found deposited in marine environments throughout the Midwest U.S.
It is commonly used for construction as raw material for cement, crushed stone, and stone for buildings. Coal is found in ancient compacted swamps found in sedimentary basins worldwide, such as the Appalachian region of the U.S. Coal is an organic, rich sedimentary rock primarily used as an energy source for generating electricity and producing steel.
Sedimentary features. Layers. Sedimentary rock layers are horizontal beds of deposited sediments, such as sand, mud, or organic material that accumulates over time in ocean, lakes, and deserts. Fossils.
Sedimentary rocks contain a variety of fossils such as marine organisms, terrestrial plants, and animals, because they're formed from a sediment layers that bury remains without high heat or pressure. Common types are teeth, footprints, skeletons, molds, and cast.
Grain size.
The most common grains in sedimentary rocks are quartz, feldspar, and clay minerals. The most common cementing agents are silica, calcite, and iron oxides.
The end. Thank you.
Thank you.
How do they differ? Press down on the sediments underneath.
Deposition is the
Sedimentary rock layers are horizontal.
for buildings. Coal is found in ancient compacted swamps found in sedimentary.
The end. Hello.